Guys, in this video, you will learn how you can save new ticket order details from Tailor Ticket application into your Google Sheets automatically. So guys, if you are organizing any event and you are selling tickets, Ticket Tailor is an application by which you can create and sell tickets. And if you want to save the details of all those sales of tickets automatically in Google Sheet, this automation is for you. And here you do not have to manually enter the sales data into spreadsheet. So we are going to set up this automation without any coding very easily. So let's start. To set up this automation, we are using Pabbly Connect, which is an automation tool, and this is the landing page of Pabbly. And from here, you can set up your free Pabbly Connect account and you will get free automation tasks every month to test and set up your automations. So you can just sign up right now from the link given below in the description. And after that, you have to sign in and reach the dashboard of Pabbly Connect application like this. And from here, guys, you have to click on this create workflow button to create a new automation workflow. And here you can give a name to your workflows as well. So I'm giving the name here as Ticket Tailor Orders into Google Sheets. So after giving this name, just click on create button and you can see your workflow page is loading up here. And on this page, guys, you will find these two modules, the trigger and the action. So trigger is that event which is going to kickstart this workflow, and the action would be the consequence or the response towards the trigger. So here in the trigger module, you have to connect the trigger application first, in which the trigger event is going to occur. So in our use case, Ticket Tailor would be the trigger application, and selling of the ticket or getting an order of a ticket is the trigger event, and the action application would be Google Sheets. All right, so here first of all you have to search for the trigger application, which is here Ticket Tailor selected, and the action event, sorry, the trigger event would be new ticket order. So it will trigger when a new order for ticket is created, right? And it will give you this URL. This is called as a webhook URL, and with the help of this we are going to make a connection with Ticket Tailor application, and after that we are going to capture the response of that connection. So to create a connection with Ticket Tailor, you need to follow these steps written here. Okay, so let me show you directly how you can do that. So this is my Ticket Tailor applications dashboard, and here you have to click on settings. And under settings, you have to scroll down on the left hand side panel and you will find this API option. Click on API. Under API page, you will find this webhooks option here. Click on webhooks. All right. And here you have to click on this create new webhook button. And here you have to select the event on which the workflow is going to be triggered. So our event would be order.created. So it is going to trigger the workflow whenever we got a new order of any ticket. Make the status of this connection as active. And here you have to paste the webhook URL that you got from your workflow. So just click on copy here and paste this webhook URL here like this. Then click on create button. And you can see a new webhook connection is created here. Okay. So here you can see, guys, as we have copied the webhook URL, it started showing waiting for the webhook connections response. So this means now we have to perform a test submission. Test submission means now we are going to manually buy a ticket. Okay. And that will be a test order. And the details of that test order will be captured here in this workflow so that we can set up this automation further. Okay. So guys, I have created a page here using Ticket Tailor. For any event, I have named it as Connect Integration event. Okay, and this is going to occur at this date, at this time, and it's an online event. Okay, and here I have this join the guest list button. So by clicking on it, one can buy a ticket like this. Okay, so let me create a new order here. So you can see this is a general admission, free. This ticket is free. You can select the quantity here. Okay, then click on next. And here we need to fill in the details of any demo customer, let's say. So after filling in all the details, click on next here. All right, and from here click on this button to complete this order. And here you can see the order is completed here, right? You can see the order summary. And let's check in our workflow if we got the test data captured of this test order. And here you can see, guys, we got the details captured here as this. You can see in this response, we have captured these details. It is showing us the total amount as 0. Okay. And here, this is the description, general admission of the ticket. Okay, and here you can see all other details as well. This is the event summary or event's name. And here the customer's name, customer's details are also captured. The phone number, the name, the first name and last name, and the email address are also captured here. Now guys, I want to save all these details in my spreadsheet in Google Sheets application. And here is the spreadsheet. And in this spreadsheet, I want to save buyer's name, email address, phone number, order date, event name, and event description. Okay. So to get these things filled automatically, we need to connect our Google Sheet here in this action step. So in this action step, search for Google Sheets. And the action event would be add a new row. Okay. Then click on connect. From here, select add new connection. Then click on sign in with Google. And from here, you have to select that Google account by which you have created the spreadsheet. Then you have to provide some additional access to Pabbly Connect. Just click on continue. That is completely safe. Okay. And you can see the authorization will be successful and will be connected with Google Sheets like this. Okay. And here it is asking for the spreadsheet's name. So when you click here in the drop down, it will show you all the list of all the spreadsheets that you have. From here, you have to search for this name. Ticket Tailor Orders. Okay, here it is selected. All right, and after that it will ask for the sheet's name. So we have only one sheet here named as sheet 1, so it will be auto populated like this. Okay, and here you can see it is asking for buyer's name, email, phone number, order date. These are all the headers of the columns that I have in my spreadsheet. So to get this data filled automatically, we need to map the data here in these fields. And we are going to use this test data that we have received in the trigger, and I'm going to map the labels here. So you just have to click here on the field and the trigger step will appear in the drop down, and when you click on it, you will find all the data here only. So in the buyer name field, let me find the buyer's name label and map it. Here is the full name label. I'm mapping the full name. Similarly, search for email label. Okay, here it is selected. Then search for phone number label and map it. Then the order date that you'll find in the last like this. Okay, the date and time is also here. The event's name, you will find the event's name in the event label. Here is the event summary name. Okay, map it. For the description, you can see description. Here it is. You can map the description, right? Now guys, after mapping all the things, you can check your connection with Google Sheets by clicking on Save and Send Test Request button, and this data will be added in a new row in your spreadsheet here automatically. Okay, so let me click on Save and Send Test Request here. And this is the response we have received. Let's see in our spreadsheet if we got the data. And here you can see we have a new row here with the same details as we have mapped inside the workflow. You can see. Okay. So guys, this is how it is going to work, and we are done setting up this automation. So you have to set up this automation only once. So as you map the details here, guys, what will happen in real time whenever any person is going to purchase your real tickets, these labels are going to be updated and new data will be updated here in your spreadsheet automatically. Okay. So you just have to set up it once. After that, it will work automatically. And you can use this workflow as well, as I'm going to paste the link of this workflow in the description, and you can clone it in your own free Pabbly Connect account and start using this automation instantly. Guys, thank you so much for watching our video, and please let us know how our automation ideas are helping you in the comment section. And if you have any queries related to this application, please ask your queries from this forum link, and do check the pricing of this application from this link. And guys, we are open to ideas. If you want us that we should make videos on other aspects of your business, please do let us know in the comment section. And if you like our work, please subscribe to our channel.